If you are managing customer support through Gmail right now and feeling like you are drowning in emails and missing urgent messages, or watching your team waste hours just trying to stay organized, this video is for you. You see, most teams are using Gmail for customer support completely wrong. They're treating it like a regular inbox when it could be functioning as a full-blown help desk. So in this video, I'll break down exactly how to transform your Gmail into a proper customer support system step by step, so that you don't have to pay a fortune for some complicated ticketing system that takes weeks to set up and requires constant IT support. So let's dive in. Step 1, set up a shared inbox system. So personal Gmail accounts weren't designed for team-based customer support. When you use individual accounts, you end up forwarding emails back and forth, CCing everyone on threads, or having multiple people log into the same account, which is a security nightmare. There's also no visibility into who's working on what. What you actually need is a centralized email address like support@yourcompany.com that your entire team can access and manage together. Now, Gmail doesn't offer a clean, built-in way to do this. You could technically use Google Groups collaborative inbox, but it's pretty clunky. You'll often have to switch out of Gmail to manage it. Replies don't always send from the shared address, and while it supports basic assignments, it doesn't give you the visibility or tracking you'd expect for doing real customer support work. It's fine for small internal discussions, but not when accountability and speed really matter. The better option is to use a shared inbox, and here's how it works. First, you want to install Hiver Chrome extension. Then open the Hiver admin panel from the top right corner of Gmail and click Create Shared Mailbox. Next, enter the email address that you want to share. For example, support@yourcompany.com, and choose whether it's a regular Gmail account, a Google group, or an alias, and verify the address. Finally, add the team members who need access. And once it's set up, everyone on your team can see all the emails coming into the shared address right from their own Gmail inbox. This means that they can manage both their work emails and support requests from the same place. Isn't that amazing? Step 2, turn Gmail into your help desk. So once you install Hiver and your shared inbox is set up, you'll notice something right away. Gmail now looks and feels more powerful. You'll notice some new sections on Gmail's left panel. This is where you can access different support channels, such as email, chat, and WhatsApp. Under each channel, you'll instantly see unassigned tickets, ongoing conversations, and also what your entire team is working on. You can even assign tickets to teammates with one click, tag them by category or priority, and monitor SLAs to make sure every query is handled on time. And since Hiver works natively inside of Gmail, your team doesn't need to learn a new tool. Everything happens in the interface that they already know. Step 3, assign emails for clear accountability. So once Hiver is up and running, you'll be able to effortlessly delegate tickets. Just open a customer query, click assign, and choose who should take it up. You can even add contextual notes like customer waiting on a refund confirmation or escalated from live chat, giving the assignee all the background they need before replying. Once assigned, the teammate is notified instantly, the ticket appears in their queue, and everyone else can see it's being handled. You also have the option to auto-assign tickets based on skill, availability, or simple round-robin rules. So no message slips through the cracks and no one gets overloaded. And even if 2 people happen to open the same ticket at once, Hiver's collision detection instantly flags it, preventing duplicate replies and saving valuable time. Step 4, organize emails systematically. So once every email has a clear owner, the next step is to bring structure to your inbox. With hundreds of customer emails coming in every day, you need a way to categorize them. Is this a billing question, a technical issue, a VIP customer, an urgent problem? That's where Hiver tags come in. They help you categorize conversations in a way that makes sense for your team. You can create tags for departments like billing, technical support, or sales, emails, or by urgency like urgent, medium, and low. And to set them up, click the tags section in the left panel of your shared inbox and hit the plus icon. You can also open any conversation and click the tag icon in the sidebar to create or apply tags on the fly. To bulk tag multiple emails, use the tagging icon in the top menu bar. You can even assign a color to each tag for quick visual recognition. And to edit a tag, you can rename it, recolor it, or delete it. You just hover over it in the tags panel and click the 3 dots. And once added, everyone on your team can apply tags right from Gmail's sidebar, and they sync instantly for the whole team. You can also automate this entire process with Hiver's workflows, and I'll show you how that works a little later in this video. Step 5, collaborate inside Gmail. Sometimes you need to discuss an issue with a teammate, get a manager's approval, or check with another department before replying to a customer. The problem is, where does this conversation happen? If you are doing it through Slack messages or separate emails, things get messy fast. Context gets lost, conversations get scattered across different tools. What you need is internal collaboration that happens right inside of the email thread itself. And that's where internal notes comes in. Just click add a note in the Hiver panel. Type your message and then @mention teammates to bring them into the discussion. And they'll get notified instantly and they can reply right there, keeping the full context tied to the original query. Now, these conversations reside next to the customer ticket, but aren't visible to them. And if you need help when drafting a response or want your manager to review it once, use shared drafts. It's like Google Docs for email. Multiple team members can work on the same reply in real time, suggest edits, and finalize it together before hitting send. Step 6, create email templates. If you are running a support team, chances are your agents answer the same kind of questions every single day. Where's my order? How do I reset my password? Can I get a refund? If your team is typing out these responses from scratch every single time, you are wasting time. Gmail does have canned responses, but they are saved only to an individual account. So every agent ends up building their own versions. With Hiver's shared email templates, your entire team can use and update the same pre-approved replies right inside of Gmail. You can create templates for common scenarios like refund confirmations, order updates, or onboarding messages and personalize them using dynamic variables like customer's name or company. And when you pair templates with Hiver automations, you can even trigger them automatically for specific types of tickets, saving even more time. Step 7, automate repetitive tasks. With Hiver's workflow automations, you can automate most of the repetitive work. To set these up, head to the Hiver admin panel, click automations, and then select create automation. You'll enter the automation canvas where you can define triggers like new conversation received, conditions such as subject contains invoice or sender is a VIP customer, and actions like assign, tag, auto reply, or close the conversation. For example, automatically assign all emails with invoice in the subject to your billing team. Tag emails from top customers as VIP. Send instant acknowledgement emails for urgent issues. You can even combine these automations with SLA timers to make sure time-sensitive queries never get missed. For example, if a customer reports a system outage, the issue can automatically escalate to a manager if it isn't resolved within 30 minutes. Step 8, supercharge your support with AI. By now, your Gmail help desk is organized, automated, and efficient. But Hiver's AI takes it to the next level. Meet AI Copilot, AI Agents, and AI Insights, the intelligent trio that helps your team take care of operational work, writes accurate responses, and improves support performance. AI agents handle repetitive, routine tasks automatically. They can tag conversations by topic, detect customer sentiment, extract key details like order IDs, route tickets to the right teammate, and even close simple thank you replies. AI Copilot drafts and rewrites responses in your brand's tone, summarizes long threads, and pulls answers directly from your help docs so your agents never have to dig for context. And AI Insights helps you spot patterns that you might otherwise miss, recurring issues, frustrated customers, or bottlenecks slowing your team down. Step 9, connect your other tools. Your support team probably uses a dozen different apps, a CRM for managing all customer data, a task manager, maybe Slack for quick updates. But jumping between all of those tools kills focus and slows response times. With Hiver integrations, you can connect everything right inside of Gmail, from Salesforce and HubSpot to Asana, Jira, Slack, and QuickBooks, so your team has all the context they need without switching tabs. Step 10, track performance with built-in analytics. Once your systems are connected and your workflows are running like clockwork, the next step is understanding how your team's performing and where you can improve. With Hiver Analytics, you can track every important support metric right inside of Gmail. You can monitor response and resolution times to see how quickly your team is closing tickets, SLA compliance to ensure every query is handled on time, workload distribution across agents and inboxes, customer satisfaction trends to spot what's working and what's not. Visual dashboards make it easy to identify bottlenecks, track improvements, and measure the impact of automation and AI on your overall support performance. The steps I've shared in this video help turn your Gmail inbox into a full-fledged customer service platform. And in case you didn't know, you can start using Hiver for free. Just click the first link in the description. Thanks for watching. And if you want to see how to build a 24/7 AI-powered customer support system, then watch this video next.